Have you ever imagined turning a credit card-sized computer into a powerful tool for learning, coding, robotics, and even home automation? That's exactly what the Raspberry Pi can do. In today's lecture, we'll explore the fascinating world of Raspberry Pi, its features, and real-life applications. What is Raspberry Pi? The Raspberry Pi is a low-cost, single-board computer developed in the UK by the Raspberry Pi Foundation. It was first released in 2012 with the goal of promoting computer science education. Despite its small size, it is a fully functional computer capable of running operating systems, connecting to the internet, and handling many tasks you would expect from a desktop PC. Versions of Raspberry Pi. Over the years, several models of Raspberry Pi have been released. Raspberry Pi 1, the original model, launched in 2012. Raspberry Pi 2, 3, and 4, offering higher processing power and memory. Raspberry Pi Zero, an ultra-small, affordable version for embedded projects. The latest Raspberry Pi 5, with improved performance and expanded capabilities for modern projects. Features and hardware. A typical Raspberry Pi board includes a Broadcom ARM-based CPU and GPU, USB ports for keyboard, mouse, and accessories, HDMI port for display connection, GPIO pins which allow users to control sensors, LEDs, and motors, camera and display interfaces, and a micro SD card slot used for storage and operating system. Operating systems and software. The Raspberry Pi mainly runs Raspberry Pi OS, previously called Raspbian, but it also supports Ubuntu, Windows IoT Core, and even specialized operating systems for retro gaming and media centers like RetroPie and Kodi. Applications of Raspberry Pi. Raspberry Pi is used worldwide for learning programming in Python, Scratch, and C++, building IoT and smart home projects, creating media servers and retro gaming consoles, robotics and automation systems, AI and machine learning experiments at a low cost. Why Raspberry Pi matters? Raspberry Pi has revolutionized affordable computing and hands-on education. It empowers students, hobbyists, and engineers to innovate and solve real-world problems without the need for expensive equipment. In short, the Raspberry Pi is more than just a small computer. It's a gateway to creativity, problem-solving, and innovation. In the upcoming lectures, we'll dive deeper into Raspberry Pi projects, programming, and real-world applications.